Hey, year sevens. So I didn't want you to spend a huge amount of time really focusing on retyping this as much as I wanted you to be using the vocabulary for this column right here. Um, so I'm going to go through this just to make sure that I take some time and make sure you hear it from me. But I also want to make sure that you're kind of good on this vocabulary because I was kind of feeling, as I was thinking about things after school today, that I could just take some time and just re-explain it just a little bit better. So number one, and this was a cause of a lot of discussion. So with and, it needs to when you see and, both the possibilities must be met. So what's the probability of a red card and an ace being drawn at random? So the card must be both red and an ace. So that really gives you, only for a deck of cards, gives you a probability of, I believe there's only 2 red aces, so it'd be 2 out of 52 would be your probability of that, or 1 out of 26 if you want to write that properly. So for that example, it has to be both the criteria must be met with an and. Not cancels out one of the possibilities. So what's the probability of a spade that is not even being drawn from the deck of cards? So it must be a spade, but it is not even. So all the even cards are canceled out. So an ace, a 3, a 5, a 7, a 9, the jack, and the king would all be counted in that. The queen sometimes is considered a 12, so I would consider that as well, and that would kind of help you figure out that one. So not excludes or cancels out that event. Or, there's two types of ors, the including or the excluding or. So the including or, what's the probability of a spade, oops, of a spade or a face card? So it can be a spade or a face card. So both of those are possible and both of them can be included. So both of them can be, so it can be a spade or a face card. So that's all the spades, and then all the face cards are possible and allowed to be included in that. So if you think about the spades, there's 13 spades plus the 3 face cards from hearts, plus the 3 face cards from diamonds, plus the 3 face cards from clubs. Because we already have you guys call them picture cards, right? I'll just fix that. A picture card. The picture cards have already been counted for spades, so we don't need to recount them. So 13, 16, 19, 22. That's 22 out of 52 chances would be that one. So the probability is equal to 22 out of 52. Or if we were to reduce that, that's 11 out of 26 chances of it being either one of those. So that's the including one. The excluding one uses but not both. So it actually excludes by saying but not both. So what's the probability of a spade or a picture card being drawn, but not both a spade and a picture card? So what this does is it only lets it be the ace, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of spades being possible, but not the picture cards of spades and not other picture cards because they're not spades. So that one excludes the picture cards and all the other cards as well. But using but not both kind of cancels out or reduces the possibility of those. Oh, wait, sorry, a spade or a picture card, but not both. So yeah, you could, sorry, I got that one wrong. So let me just re-explain that. So it could be a spade, so that could be the ace. So ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those 9. It can be the 3 picture cards from hearts. It can be the 3 picture cards from diamonds. And it can be the 3 picture cards from clubs, but it cannot be the picture cards from spades because they are both. So 9 plus 3 is 12, 15, 18. So that's going to be 18 out of 52 probability of that happening. Sorry about that little stumble there. I didn't give you examples because I feel like greater than or equal to, less than equal to are ones that you're familiar with. But what I want you to do is take the information I've given you and now use this to complete this column. So I would like you to use this to be your example. So you're going to be using 2 dice. Remember, 1 is not possible with 2 dice. You can roll 2 through to 12 with the dice, but you cannot roll a 1 with 2 dice. And then determine the probability. All of these should have a denominator of 11. So your probability is going to be P equals, and that's going to be something out of 11, because really you can't have, there's not 12 possible numbers that are possible. It's only 11 possible numbers. So complete this for that, and then once you're done, I'd like you to go into and finish off with the compound event practice I've given you, which looks like this. So you're going to go in and you're going to be making your own questions. So I've given you 6 dominoes, and you're going to use these 6 dominoes to make your own question and then provide a probability answer. Just make sure that the answers to your questions are not going to be a 0 or a 1. So they're going to be a fraction, but make sure it's not a 0 or a 1. All right, I hope that's helpful to you, and I hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye.